Good morning, guys. All right, so I just wanted to show you real quick how I actually mix my lotion, my lightening lotion. This is actually what I use, in case you don't know. Fair and White, the So White, the pink version, and actually this bigger one. All right, because I don't like my cream to bleach me. Rather, I love it when it gives me this gradual toning process. Okay, so as it is now, is actually thick, and this is actually the half is usually full, so I've actually mixed half of it. That is what I do. I mix half in one of this. All right, so what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna be needing a transparent trash plates or something like this, anything you want to mix yours with. Okay, so you're just going to transfer all the cream. As you're transferring it, it's going to be thick like this. So you're going to be patient in doing that though. I think there's still some left, so I still have to, you can see that. Okay, so after I've transferred all the lotion into the bowl, this is how it is. And now I'm going to be mixing with this Fair and White serum exclusive whitenizer. And I actually love mixing it with this one that contains vitamin C with this logo. Alright, this orange logo in it. So I'm going to be mixing it. I'm going to be using all of this into half of this. Okay. So I'm going to be turning the whole oil into this. And this is how it's going to be like. Right, the next thing is to stir this up. Now usually how I actually mix my lotion, this is not the usual way I mix it. I'm actually doing this so you guys can see how it looks like. What I do is that I just turn the oil into this stuff like that, and I just shake it all through. Alright, but if you can't do that, if you feel it's not going to mix properly, the oil is not going to mix to the lotion very well, you can equally do it this way. This way you'll be sure that the whole oil mix with the lotion, and so you don't have the cream working on one part of your body and one part of the body not working. Okay, so that's why you may mix it this way. Okay, so you have to take time to mix it so that it's mixed very well. You can as well do this on weekends when you have all the time to do it. Okay, so you don't have to rush and rush. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to take off the lotion from the spoon And now I'm going to be opening the stuff up. Yep, so I'm going to be transferring the cream back into the jar. All right, and this is really simple. So after you've done that, there will be a lot of cream left in the bowl, and this is how I take off the cream. You can actually decide to use a spoon, but it might not take it off like completely the way it will if you actually use your hand. So as it is now, I've actually not taken my bath yet. Now the reason why I usually love mixing my lotion before going to take my bath is so I can use the leftover from this bowl, okay, to just rub on my body, and so I don't have to waste the lotion, because trust me, it's expensive, so you can't afford to waste any. Alright, so that's why I usually do this before going to take my bath, so I can use it. So for this video, I'm just going to take off all the excess from the plate, from the bowl, and put it back into the jar. Okay, so after that is done, I'm going to cover up the lotion and then get a tissue paper to clean any one that stains around this place, and then cover it up. Now I have to mix, because there are some lotion on the body of the jar that has not completely mixed with the oil. So what I'm going to do is to shake it more so it can mix with it, okay? Shake, shake, shake. Shaking. Alright guys, so that's basically how I actually mix my lotion, and that's it. This would actually, last for 1 month or more than a month, and that's it guys.